Did you know that there is only one queen bee per honeybee colony? Hi, it's me. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the queen bee. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode. There are 5 amazing facts about the queen bee that you probably didn't know. Number 1, the queen bee is the mother of all the bees in the colony. She is responsible for laying all of the eggs, and therefore all of the bees in the colony are her children. The queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs in a single day. That's a lot of kids, and she will continue to lay eggs throughout her entire adult life. The eggs hatch into either male drones or female workers, and the males mate with the queen to produce more queens. The queen bee is the only female in the hive that has fully developed ovaries. This allows her to control the sex of the eggs that she lays by deciding whether or not she wants to mate with a drone. If she does not mate with a drone, the egg will hatch into a female worker. If she mates with a drone, the egg will hatch into another queen. By controlling the sex of her eggs, the queen can ensure that there are always enough drones and workers to keep the colony thriving. During the spring and summer months, the colony can have up to 40,000 members. That's a lot of kids. Number 2, the queen bee is the only female in the colony that doesn't work. She spends her days laying eggs and being fed by the worker bees. The worker bees are constantly bringing the queen food and water, and they also build and repair the honeycomb. The drones, which are the males, their job is to mate with the queen and then they die. So the only females that actually do any work in the colony are the workers. The workers are also the ones that go out and collect pollen and nectar from the plants. They bring this back to the hive where it is stored in the honeycomb. The workers also defend the hive from intruders such as wasps and hornets. They do everything to keep the colony alive and thriving so that the queen can continue to lay eggs. 3, the mating process. When the queen bee first emerges from her cell, she will mate with several drones. This ensures that she will be able to produce both male and female offspring. The drones that mate with the queen will die, but she will live for several years. The queen bee stores the sperm from these matings in her oviducts, and she will use this sperm to fertilize her eggs throughout her lifetime. This means that all of the eggs that she lays are fertilized even though she is no longer mating with the drones. 4, how she feeds. The queen bee is fed a special diet of royal jelly. Royal jelly is a substance that is secreted by the worker bees from glands in their heads. It is high in protein and nutrients, and it is what is used to feed the queen larvae. As the larvae grow, they are fed more and more royal jelly until they are capped in their cells. At this point, they have grown to be the size of an adult bee, and they are ready to emerge from their cells. Once the queen bee emerges, she will start laying eggs immediately. The workers will continue to feed her royal jelly throughout her life. This ensures that she stays healthy and strong so that she can continue to lay eggs and produce more bees. 5, workers that attend to her. There are special worker bees whose job it is to attend to the queen. They are called attendants, and their main job is to feed her and keep her comfortable. The attendants also build the queen's cells and repair them as needed. They are the ones who make sure that the queen has everything she needs so that she can focus on laying eggs. The attendants are usually the most skilled and experienced workers in the colony. They are responsible for training new workers and making sure that everyone is doing their job. The attendants are also the ones that protect the queen at all costs. They will fight to the death if it means protecting her. The period of laying eggs is called the laying period. It typically begins in the spring when the weather starts to warm up and the days are getting longer. The queen will lay eggs every day, and the number of eggs will increase as the colony grows. The laying period can last for several months, and it ends in the fall when the weather starts to cool down and the days are getting shorter. The queen will stop laying eggs in preparation for winter. Now you know just how amazing the queen bee really is. Make sure you let me know in the comments below what your favorite fact was. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. See you next time.